Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the In-Data project at Easterseals Crossroads, and today we're going to be taking a look at the control center and how to add features and tools to it on an iOS device. So let's go ahead and take a look.
All right, so today we're going to talk about the control center on an iOS device. That could be your iPhone or iPad. It's a great way to get quick access to different tools and features that are on your device. And so to be able to find your control panel and to be able to see what is there currently, you can drag down. So take your finger and you swipe down from the top right of your screen. It's going to go ahead and open it up. This is what it looks like. You can see that I've got a flashing dot there. That's the recording. That's where you might be able to find this, or at least put it, to allow you to do screen captures and things like that. But there's some useful tools in here. It's a quick way, again, to access different features and tools like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, turn that on or off, put it into airplane mode, adjust the brightness and the volume that's going on there. But what I want to talk about are some of the buttons on the bottom. Those are different features that you can turn on or off or add or remove from the control center. And in order to do that, I'm going to jump out of it by just clicking anywhere on my screen. It's going to take me back to my home screen here. I'm going to open up my settings menu. And in your settings menu, if you scroll along the left-hand side, you're going to find the control center. And then underneath the control center, you've got a couple of different options up on top. That access within apps might be something you want to toggle on if you want to be able to access the control center while you're in another app. If you go ahead and turn that off, it's disabled. And if you turn that on, that means you can get to that control center pretty much from anywhere. But then once you're in here, you can kind of see I've got several things that are already included so that screen recording, I could, if I wanted to, remove that, but I don't. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. But then I want you to come down to the bottom here, and you'll notice that there's lots of other features that you can quickly get access to. So if you'd like to turn on your flashlight, you can simply just hit the plus key, and it's going to move it up to the top where all of these are added to your control center. I also, a lot of times, like to do sound recognition, have that available to show folks. I do voice notes every once in a while. I try not to add too many things, because if you add too many things, well, then it just makes that control center big enough that you'd have to scroll up and down once you're in there to be able to get access to all the different tools. But now that I've added a few things, I'm going to come back out of my app. So we'll come and go ahead and close that out. And we'll go back to my main screen. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to swipe down from the top right-hand corner again. And notice that now I've got a whole new row of different features that I added. I added the flashlight, I added sound recognition, voice menus, and the magnifier to the control center. And now I can get access to those whenever I want, just quickly by swiping down from the top right of my screen.
Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the In-Data project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.